Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to go to our Add New Plugins area. When we get there, we're going to type in SES. At the very top, we see two plugins for our needs. WP SES sends all outgoing WordPress emails through SES for maximum email deliverability. We can install that plugin, or we can use Amazon SMTP. However, you'll note that this is by FormGet, and that's one of the services that is available through the cloud that you'd have to sign up for. We notice that this plugin has over 10,000 active installations, so we're going to go ahead and click Install Now. And now that it's installed, we're going to click Activate. So we'll note that our plugin is now installed. We can go to the Settings area, and then we can click on WP SES. And we're going to write in our sender email. And we write in this email is going to be one that we've already verified through the domain in Amazon SES. We're going to put in a name. Now these two sections are not required, so we're going to leave these blank. Now you probably noticed that we're going to need to get Amazon API keys. And so we're going to go to our Amazon console, we're going to get our API keys, and we're going to come back and put this information in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.